Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a blog section in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and click on websites. Here you will see the available websites on your Hostinger website builder, on your Hostinger account, my bad. And next to the website that you want to add a blog on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and as you see, till now it does not have a blog yet. So how to start it? It's simple. Just click on pages. My bad, not pages. Click on more. So let's redo it. Click on more, and you will see blog first in the list. Click on it. And as you see, start writing a blog, add a blog, and to share your stories. Click on this start a blog button. And just like that, a new page will be added to the navigation menu. And also this new page called blog, and it shows the latest blog posts. So how to delete those default blog posts and add your own ones? It's simple. Just click on more, or my bad. Here, after adding a new blog, you will see this blog icon added here. So just click on it. This new window shows up. Here you can see all the available blog posts on your account. And from here you can see the draft, the ones in the draft, the scheduled one, and also the published ones. Now to delete a blog post simply, or to delete those 4 default blog posts, simply click on these 3 dots, and you can either unpublish it, so it's still in the draft but it is not published, or you can completely delete it like this. Deleted blog posts are no longer available and will be permanently deleted. Click on delete. Okay, let's delete, or let's keep those 3 blog posts and create and show you how to add a new blog post. So click on this add new post button. This window pops up. Here you can create your blog post using AI. Just select the tone of voice, for example, formal, neutral, or casual. Also the length of the content. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Just select the tone of voice, for example, formal, neutral, or casual. Also the length of the content, 500 words, 1000, 2000, and here describe your post, the blog post you want to write. For example, 10 tips for creating marketing campaigns that skyrocket sales and strengthen your brand. Try to be descriptive for best results. If you want to write your blog post manually, click on skip. I'll write it myself. And when you go with the manual blog post writing, you will see this template here. You can edit the blog post title, or let's start with the first thing, which is editing your blog post title. So go to post settings. Here fill in your blog post title. For example, for this I will get the help of ChatGPT. I will ask it to write me a demo blog post about for example 10 places to visit in for example in Dubai. Okay, this is the blog post title. I will start with it, post it here, paste. I will ask it give me a post description, or let's use this, or let's give me a blog post description. Yes, it's called description. This covers the top 10 places to visit in Dubai. So this is the description. This is the blog post URL. For the author, I will go with Ben, and let's go with just with Ben. Here you can publish it. If you want to publish it directly, keep this date as it is. If you want to schedule the publishing, click enable the schedule post and select a later date. For this video, I will go with directly publishing it. Now click on save, and this is the title, the post description, the author, the publishing date, and also the reading time. Now let's add my blog post content, copy. So here, instead of this photo, or here, double click this my post content and paste your article just like this. Let's say that between, or you want to add photos after each big title, or first let's see how to add big titles. Just write your title here, select it with your mouse, select heading 2, 1 or 3. Let's go with it like this. Now how to add photos inside your article. So here you need to copy. Let's say I want to show a Burj Khalifa photo after this big title. So I will select the rest of the blog post. I will cut it. Then I will make this blog post section longer like this. Then I will click on this element or plus icon, drag and drop this element or this image element like this, and then I will place my photo here. I will click on edit image to change this default photo. Okay, you can even use free images provided by Unsplash using provided by Unsplash service. Khalifa. Okay, this photo is good. Click on add image, and just like this your photo is added. If the photo is available on your desktop, instead of going with free images, click on upload files, then locate the photo on your desktop and click on open, and it will be uploaded here, and then click on this select button to add it here in your blog post. Now that I've added the photo, I can return to elements, drag and drop this text element below the photo, select this default text, delete it, and paste my copied text. And I can repeat this process till I complete the blog post. Of course, I can edit the text Let's delete this empty space. And now let's view this photo. Here I want to edit this photo. Same thing. I can either delete it, place my title, my text first here, or I can to undo an action. Let's say that you've deleted this photo, for example, and you want to undo it. Simply click on this down or to this undo arrow, and you will undo your last action. Now, how to publish this new blog post? First, I need, okay, for the post settings, yes, for this, if I publish now, okay, let's see how to publish this new blog post. If you hit the update website button, this will not publish your blog post because you still, or before this, you need to switch the blog post status from draft to public. Then you should click on the update website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And this is the blog section page. And as you see, this is my latest blog post, the three default blog posts, and the one I've created myself. As you see, this is the title, the blog post description, title, author, publishing date, reading time. The reading time is updated depending on your text, I think. This is the image that I still didn't edit, and this is my my introduction, first title, added photo, and the rest of the blog post. Now let's see how to edit this blog post featured photo that shows up here. So return to your blog post, go to post settings, switch to the featured image, and click on this replace image text. Now let's use a photo from Burj Khalifa. Let's use a photo, one of these photos. This one, for example, add to page. And now it is used. Here you can also organize your blog post by selecting categories. For example, let's add a travel category, and now click on save, and now this blog post is inside this travel tag. Same thing, click on update website and wait a moment. Now let's view my new blog post. Go to the blog, and this is the new featured image, and as you see, this is the category I've added, and this is the blog post. And this let's edit this image, replace not this photo. Now let's refresh the same blog post, and this is the new photo. And this is how to add, this is how to add a new blog section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.